The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork. Day unto day uttereth speech, and night unto night showeth knowledge. There is no speech nor language, where their voice is not heard. Their line is gone out through all the earth, and their words to the end of the world. In them hath he set a tabernacle for the sun. Let the heavens rejoice, and let the earth be glad. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof. Let the field be joyful, and all that is therein. Then shall all the trees of the wood rejoice. Let the heavens be glad, and let the earth rejoice, and let men say among the nations, the Lord reigneth. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof. Let the fields rejoice, and all that is therein. Then shall the trees of the wood sing out at the presence of the Lord, because he cometh to judge the earth. Behind every hedge, from the height of the trees, within every bush, from under a rock, from the skies far-reaching, and to the depths under the waves, all therein sings the praise of God, for he desired it and made it so. The first piece of music that you heard was "This Is My Father's World" by the Colorado Choir. The second soundbite you have heard here is actually, I'm sure you can hear crickets, but the other part of it at the same time is the cricket sound slowed down. And it sounds like a choir. So as I say, within nature is all of this song that's going on. God made it so. And nature sings the praise of God.